The Gateron Zealio V267G switches are an outstanding choice for those looking to invest in a high-end tactile switch. These switches are designed to offer a unique typing experience, characterized by a pronounced and snappy tactile bump. Unlike other tactile switches, which can sometimes feel mushy or indistinct, the Zealio V2 delivers a sharp and unmistakable tactile response. This is complemented by a longer pre-travel, giving users a deeper key press sensation before the switch activates. If you enjoy a deliberate and precise feel when typing, these switches will not disappoint. Available in various weights, including 62G, 65G, 67G, and 78G, the Zealio V2 lineup offers flexibility to cater to different preferences. The 67G variant strikes a perfect balance, offering enough resistance for a satisfying tactile feel without feeling overly heavy. Lighter options maintain maximum tactility for quick typing, while heavier variants provide additional cushioning and resistance for those who prefer a firmer keystroke. What sets these switches apart is their unparalleled tactility. They provide a crisp and defined feedback that outshines many other tactile options on the market. This makes them an excellent choice for users who prioritize the feel of their switches and are willing to pay for premium quality. However, this level of performance comes at a cost, as Zealio V2 switches are priced at around $1 per switch. While this may be a steep investment, the superior performance justifies the price for serious enthusiasts. Straight out of the box, the Zealio V2 switches are impressively smooth and stable. However, to truly elevate the experience and make the most of their premium quality, it's recommended to lube and film the switches before installation. Lubing enhances the smoothness and reduces any residual scratchiness, while filming increases stability, ensuring a consistent typing experience across your keyboard. If you're looking for a tactile switch that combines sharp feedback, smooth operation, and unmatched build quality, the Gateron Zealio V2 67G switches are a phenomenal choice. While they may not be the most budget-friendly option, their performance makes them a worthwhile investment for those who demand the best from their keyboard. Whether for gaming, writing, or general use, these switches deliver an exceptional tactile experience that's hard to beat.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.